Hello everyone, my name is Sofia. Welcome to my story. Today, I want to talk about my special rainy day. I know some people don't like rain, but I love it. Rainy days make me feel so cozy and calm. Everything feels quiet and peaceful. So find a comfortable place, relax, and listen carefully to my story. I hope you enjoy it. This morning, I woke up to a soft, gentle sound. It was the sound of raindrops hitting my window. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter. I love that sound. I looked outside and saw that the sky was grey. It was not a sad grey, but a soft, calm grey. The air felt cool and fresh. I got out of bed and chose my clothes for the day. I put on my bright yellow raincoat and my matching yellow boots. They always make me feel cheerful on a grey day. I grabbed my big blue umbrella, opened the door, and stepped outside into the rain. Walking to school was a little adventure. The roads were wet and looked shiny, like a dark mirror reflecting the grey sky. There were small puddles everywhere. I tried not to step in them, but sometimes it's fun to make a little splash. The trees were moving gently in the wind, their green leaves dancing, and the air smelled so fresh and earthy. It's a special smell that only comes with the rain. It's amazing how the rain can change everything. The world looks different, quieter, and more beautiful in its own special way. When I arrived at school, many students were standing near the entrance. We were all trying to stay dry under the roof. Everyone was talking quietly, and the atmosphere was very calm. In the classroom, the sound of the rain hitting the windows was like soft music. It was a peaceful background sound for our lessons. Our teacher, Mrs. Davis, read us a short poem about rain. It was beautiful. The poem talked about how the rain helps the flowers grow and washes the world clean. Listening to the poem on that rainy day made me feel inspired. At lunchtime, the rain was still falling outside. My friends and I went to the school cafeteria. Today, the cafeteria was serving hot soup. I chose a bowl of warm tomato soup. It felt so good to hold the warm bowl in my hands. The hot soup was a perfect contrast to the cold, rainy weather outside. We sat together at a big table, eating our warm food. We talked and laughed. It was a simple, happy lunch. The rain made our lunchtime feel even more cozy and special. After school, the rain became lighter. It was just a soft drizzle. I decided to walk home slowly and take a small detour through the park. The park looked like a magical, rainy garden. Tiny water droplets were hanging on the leaves of the trees, sparkling like little diamonds. The flowers looked so bright and shiny with the rain on their petals. The only sound was the soft patter of water falling from the trees onto the ground. I stopped for a moment, closed my eyes, and took a deep breath. That fresh, earthy scent was still in the air. I felt so peaceful. When I got home, I changed into my comfortable clothes. I made a cup of hot chocolate and sat by my favorite window in the living room. I watched the raindrops as they raced each other down the glass. Some were big and fast, others were small and slow. Watching them was so relaxing. Rainy days are perfect for thinking. They help me feel calm and reflect on my day. I appreciate the simple joys that rainy days bring, the quiet moments, the fresh air, a warm drink, and being safe and warm with my family inside. So that was my rainy day. Sometimes rain can change our plans, but it also brings its own kind of beauty and peace. I really enjoyed my day, from the pitter-patter of the morning rain to the quiet evening by the window. What about you? Think about your own rainy day memories. What do you like to do when it rains? I hope my story helps you with your English learning. Keep practicing every day and you will see how much you can improve. Thank you so much for listening. See you next time.